Hello and welcome to Integrator Dima channel, another behavior design pattern named Memento. I would like to say it like Momento, but no, it's Memento. It's very useful in case you need to store some state of your object and then access state in previous stage or in previous time. So you can think also about functionality like undo, redo. For example, if you are doing some editor and you would like to revert some steps, this is actually what we will do today in this example. But also you can think of gaming, when you need to access state at a certain moment of time, so you can use Memento there as well. Okay, so let's check the usage and then we will just display implementation of this in TypeScript. So we would like to interact with a text editor, and where you would be able to type something. It will be a string and we will add more strings and it will be somehow stored in our history object. So we will have like an editor history, and Memento will be a disk that will save the moment and the state at a certain moment. We would type some strings and then we would like to save it to editor, and then we will display the current state and revert few steps back, and we'll see what's going on. So let's start from the Memento class that only stores our state. Okay, so that's it. We have a state as a private property. We initialize Memento and pass state there, and at any moment we can access the state using this getState method. So let's move on. The next actor in this example will be originator class. It will be actually the text editor, and it can save its states to Memento and actually do different manipulations with the state. So let's display it. So here is the text editor class. Actually it interacts with the content, so you can type some words, it will be a string, and we will concatenate string with new words. So we can create a memento snapshot of our current state, and here is where we return editor memento and pass some context that should be saved. Also we can restore, so we would like to access getState of the memento at that stage. So we should pass Memento object and then get its state. And yeah, at any moment we can get content to display current content of our text editor. So the last piece of this example will be history object caretaker class that keeps track of our mementos. So it will be just a simple array where we will push new items and we will be able to access each item. So yeah, editor history. So yeah, this is an array of editor memento, and yeah, we will be just pushing elements here, and then at a certain moment we can access memento by index. So let's go again and see what we have here. So we will clear console. So we create an editor, we create a history object, then we type some string and we save it. So save the first state, then we type another string and save it as well, and then we display results. So this is the third sentence, this is the first, second and third. So you can see that current content, so this line is actually three sentences, and we made one undo, took the get memento of element with index 1. We can imagine index 0, 1 and then I think we executed type one more time. So then we reverted one stage, and after undo we can see this is the first sentence and this is the second sentence, and if we will do one more undo, we will have just this is the first sentence. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, and run. So you can see after second undo we have only the first sentence. So this actually it, the basic idea. Try it in action. Please like and subscribe, and write in comments if you haven't seen Memento design pattern or if you have used it in your work projects. See you in the next one. Bye.